So what is the FL Solar? The FL Solar is this unit. It's very tiny. It's tinier than my head. The FL Solar is a power harvesting unit that allows you to actually keep your trailers in the yard full of power at all times. It alerts you when the trailer is starting to move, and it also continues tracking the trailer every 10 minutes down the road. Around the FL Solar, there are really two use cases. So you'll have the trailer that's sitting in the yard that's not moving much, or you have an asset sitting in your yard that you just want to make sure doesn't leave your general area. And for that, this is a perfect product because you can just slap it on anything. It'll harvest its energy from the sun. And when that thing starts moving, meaning your asset that you don't necessarily want to move, it will alert you and it will track you exactly where your asset has moved to and where it's going. So that's use case number one. Use case number two around it is you can stick the FL Solar on any trailer. Very much comes into handy to track your trailer on an everyday basis, moving down the road, 10-minute pings, you get all the full alerting around it. And then in addition to that, if you have a trailer that is first in, last out in a big trailer yard, we know these things don't move for like 9 months out of the year, that thing will stay alive for 9 months straight. So we've had really great feedback from customers already on this product. One thing that they like, obviously it's IP67, it's very durable. So when you have those sticks and stones hitting your trailer, that thing will last and stay on your trailer and you won't have to worry about it. You won't have to worry about the solar panel getting hurt or anything like that. And then the tracking accuracy around this product is just amazing. And obviously the durability of the battery power, given that it is solar harvesting power that we use in the product. And therefore you don't have to worry about, a bad battery, having to exchange batteries and anything like that. So that's all covered. So we've actually been recently piloting this product, the FL Solar, on a customer of ours, and they're stoked because they go into Mexico a lot across the border, and the 7-way connection on their trailer seems to fail down there for whatever reason. Whatever they plug in there, it doesn't work. So this product won't fail you. We actually have a version of this product that is untethered, meaning you're not reliable on any 7-way connection, and that really makes us a power player. So yeah, funny behind the scenes stories. One of our engineers actually wanted to do the hardcore test and put the FL Solar in an ice chest to wait to see how long it would last until it would stop reporting with no external power whatsoever. And 9 months later, it stopped reporting, which is a great testimonial for us behind the scenes, and we really, really feel this product is solid. The customers really, really love our user interface today, and it comes with all of the great alerting, reporting, anything that you might want to see what the FL Solar is up to in the field. It obviously will come into our FleetLocate user interface, and that comes along with all the great reporting, all the alerts, the map interface with the breadcrumb trails. All of that shebang is going to come to you with our product.